Hey, what's going on? It's James Canzanella, your Affilio hero, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to use Clickbank. In case you're not familiar with how Clickbank works, I'm going to be walking you through, kind of giving you some of my ideas to help you pick out some of the gold or the gold nuggets when it comes to the Clickbank marketplace itself. So in case you are new to this channel, hello, my name is James Canzanella. I am a full-time affiliate marketer. Feel free to subscribe if you would like to see many more affiliate marketing / internet marketing related videos. And of course, if you aren't new, welcome back. It is great to have you here. So let's get right on into it. I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace on top. Here we are. Now on the left side, as you can see here, it's funny because this, I remember when I first started online, I'm pretty sure this picture, both of these were here. So it always just cracks me up. It might have been on the home page, but I don't know what it is about these. I've just seen them forever. But on the left, you're going to have categories. The cool thing about Clickbank is that you can actually do a lot of research. You can see what's going to be popular just by looking at some of the products. If you see that there's a ton of products and offers in a specific niche, it's probably going to be a good thing because people usually don't make products in niches where people aren't going to be buying. Like you're not going to be selling, like laptops to bums. They're not going to be able to afford it probably. You know what I mean? So let's actually look through. We can do business and investing. Okay. And when it comes to this, there's going to be a lot of sub niches or micro niches. But if I go back up here, I'm going to go to computer and internet. I think not this one, but we can go down to this one here. Where is it? Here we go. E-business and e-marketing, a lot of stuff I do. So affiliate marketing, article marketing, auctions, banners, blogs, e-signs, marketing, niche marketing, email marketing, SEO, and so on and so forth. So you would pretty much, that's how you can actually go through the specific categories and then see what's going to be good for you. However, but if you kind of want to get a huge, like 20,000 foot view of Clickbank, what you can do is go to advanced search. Okay, and you can do, I like doing 50 and gravity for this, show items with gravity that are going to be at least higher than, let's say, 50. What this means, gravity in a nutshell, is pretty much how many unique affiliates are promoting. Okay, so if something has a gravity of 50, that means there's going to be at least 50 affiliates promoting. So what happens is if I make a sale for one offer, I'm going to get 1 point added to that gravity. Okay, if you make 20 sales of that offer, you're also going to get 1 point added to that gravity. Over that time, if I kind of stop promoting and making any sales, eventually that 1 is going to slowly deteriorate to like 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, and then go down. That's why you see a lot of gravities that have a point, like a decimal in it and something after, because that's how it works in a nutshell. So it's the amount of unique affiliates that are promoting it, but you don't know how many sales they are making, okay, to give you a good idea of the gravity. So let's do this. Okay, and this should be by gravity, I'm pretty sure. So at the moment, this is the highest gravity right here. So as I talked about, this is why there's the decimal point, because if affiliates stop promoting it, they're not making any sales, like they'll get 1 point and then it'll slowly go down. So I don't even know what this is. Lepitox, we got Cinderella Solution, Numerologist. Okay, let me kind of explain these. Something you want to look for, this is kind of where you can get a lot of the gold. So if you're an affiliate, maybe you're looking for an offer to promote, maybe a niche. You want to look at a few things when it comes to finding offers. For example, if you're going to be putting a lot of work into promoting an offer, or maybe you're going to be paying a lot of money through Facebook ads, Bing ads, whatever it's going to be, you want to make sure that the average sale is actually worth promoting. There's probably a good reason why this is up there, because look at this. The average sale, that means, say you send like 100 customers, around 100, could be less, could be more, but what they're saying is like out of all the people who have gone through, this is how much the average customer is going to make. And the reason for this is because they're going to have upsells, as this says. Pitch Plus is like a one-click upsell. They do have recurring. Recurring is a great way to increase this, okay? So on average, that's how much you're going to make per sale. Would you want to promote something where the average sale is only like 10 bucks? Probably not, because the juice isn't going to be worth the squeeze, so to speak. Okay, so that's pretty good when it comes to average sale. As I talked about, this means it's available in English. This is one-time billing. This is also recurring billing. Forgot what this is. Shippable. Okay, so they have shippable stuff. And like I talked about, this is going to be one-click upsells, and I think this is mobile. Yes, so they can mobile hop links are supported. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so that's pretty good when it comes to average sale. 38 is not bad. Like this right here. Okay, this isn't bad, but keep in mind, you're not going to be making a ton of money like if you're going into that. It does have recurring, but keep in mind, sometimes recurring can be just like a trial on just the front end offer. So let's say a product costs $47. They're like, wait, how about you try it for, 7 days for $1, and then after that you pay the remaining 46. So that can be an example of recurring, okay? So sometimes that's the way that works, okay? And sometimes what will happen is, let's say if this was the case, someone could pay $1 and then not pay the rest, and that's the reason why the average sale can actually be down. So sometimes these can be deceiving, in fact that they're usually a lot more. So keep that in mind. I'm not sure how the pricing is set up because I don't promote this or I haven't promoted it, but that could be a possibility. So keep that in mind, okay? 30, 28, 63, which is good. Also, one other thing I showed you right here, this means you need to, be approved to promote it, which actually isn't that bad. But if you look at this, 239, there's already a lot of affiliates promoting it. So it's probably not going to be all that difficult to be able to go in there and, ask if you can actually promote it. You're going to need a specific niche when it comes to this anyway, okay? Let's look at else. Once again, Keto Resources, 17, Ted's Woodworking. This one has been around forever. Unlock Your Hip Flexors, 61. Not bad. Just looking at the average sales. This has been around. This has been doing well for a little while now. Flat Belly Fix. And let's see. Okay, a bunch of other things. So here's a few other tips we can actually look at as well. Let me go to something that I am kind of at least familiar with. 12-minute affiliate system, his secret obsession. Let's go to keto. Okay, so let's go to the affiliate page. Just a few more tips when it comes to looking to promote something. Wow, this has a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, I don't want to do that, so they lost me there. Let's go up to a higher one. This is Wesley's new one, I believe. Okay, let's see. No, thank you. Okay, let's get a good affiliate page. Come on, we can do it. Okay, what we are looking for are tools, okay? My goodness, all of them are requiring to enter email, which I don't feel like doing. As you can see, Ted's Woodworking. I think this one has a lot of stuff for you.
Hi.
Okay, these are going to... Am I going to the wrong one? Did I click on the wrong one? I must have. Okay, that's on me. So per sale, commission, EPCs, cool. I'm looking for the tools to help you out. Your affiliate links. Okay, so this is cool. This is something to keep in mind because it depends on where you're going to be promoting this. They have affiliate links. A lot of times they'll have them without exit pops. They'll have them say without an email where you don't have to enter it so you don't lose any leads. Once again, no exit pop, no video autoplay. This is really going to be dependent upon where you're going to be promoting it. There we go. I've already signed up. Take me to the resource page. So look at this. The good thing about this is that let's pretend you were a vendor, okay? You want to make it as easy as possible for your affiliates to succeed because the more sales they make, the more sales you make. You get as a customer. You get customers. You get leads. You get some money, obviously, from the whatever, 30, 40% commissions, whatever it's going to be. So a lot of these really give you a ton of really helpful tools. For example, you get custom landers, banners, PPC keywords, demographics. So if you're on Facebook, you're going to know who to target. Email swipes, review videos, direct link, pre-sell, and review articles. Just keep in mind that a lot of these that people are probably going to be using and abusing for the fact that there will be a lot of people who just copy and paste. So if you do use some of these, I do recommend that you change them up a little so that it's not exact, because chances are if people are in this niche, they've probably seen those before. Once again, these are more banners and affiliate landing pages. Actually looking through PPC keywords, this is great. So if you're doing SEO or even if you're doing obviously PPC, demographics is great because look, if you're doing Facebook advertising, you know that the majority are going to be, it looks like, was this female, okay, 140. Most of them are going to be between the ages of 25 to, 54 or so. So you could obviously test that. Once again, right here. Did I read that wrong? No, I don't think I did. Talks about the college, the school, ethnicity, kids, no kids, money, and so on and so forth. So these are great things you can actually use. I mean, it's only going to help you because they have a list of customers. They know their demographic. That's going to save you. It could save you a lot of time, effort, and money. So you know who you're going to be speaking to. These are review videos. Like I said, they've probably been used nonstop. Once again, review articles. I would recommend either writing your own or you can use these and tweak it around. That's going to be up to you. They do give you some tips and so on and so forth, starting a blog. But this is like a really good, helpful resource. And a lot of these probably have these. I just didn't feel like entering my email on the other one. I'm just kind of showing you that when I do go to promote any of these types of offers, this is what I'm looking for. Also, one more really good tip to actually make more commissions. Let's see if it, let's do bump. Nope. There we go. All I did was search for commissions. Now, a lot of these have this. As you can see right here, it says 95% commission platinum tier available. Okay. So what a lot of Clickbank vendors have been doing, let's see if any others, the easiest commissions, commission opportunities, commissions. There we go. Get up to 90% commissions. That's another one. Email us for higher commissions. Once again, okay, there's so many of them that are doing this. Do you kind of get the idea? So let me explain. A lot of vendors, what they're doing is, as a vendor, once again, you got to think as if this was your product and you're selling it. There's going to be a lot of products in these specific niches, so there's a lot of competition. Like if I'm an affiliate, how do I choose the specific product and how can the vendor kind of target me? So what they're doing is saying like, hey, we'll actually bump up your conversions. And they'll say like, as long as you have one sale, we'll bump you up to 80%, to 90%, whatever it's going to be. And this is great for you. I remember I had a YouTube video and it was like in Spanish. Don't ask how I did that one. Okay. Anyway, yo hablo español. Spanish is perfect, I know, but I made a sale and then I reached out to the person. I said like, hey, I made a sale. Would it be possible if I get a bump in commissions? Because I'm currently getting a lot of traffic. And they did. And it was awesome. Like, and it's perfect because it's pretty much sending an email and it's like getting a raise. You know what I mean? Like, and that doesn't take very long to do. I recommend doing it if you either have a lot of traffic, a lot of authority, or you've at least made a sale, because then they know you're serious. Like if you go to someone, you make a sale, they're like, okay, they're capable of making a sale. At least I know this person knows what they're doing, and they'll probably have no problem bumping you up, especially to a lot of these vendors here that say like, hey, we'll bump you up to 80%, 90%, whatever it's going to be. You could just simply say, hey, I started promoting this. I didn't realize it was going to convert that well, and I would like to send much more traffic to it. Would it be possible to get a commission bump? As simple as that. I don't recommend doing it if you're like brand new and you don't have any traffic, you don't know what you're going to be doing. At least send some traffic, make a sale, and then ask. It's really not going to hurt you. Obviously, it can only help you, and that's a really great thing to do because vendors love that. By them giving you a commission bump, there's a higher chance that you're going to stick around with that offer and not promote one of their competitors. Okay, so pretty much wrapping it up. I don't want to make this video too long. That's how to use Clickbank. That's how Clickbank works. That's kind of my walkthrough, what I like to do. And obviously, if you wanted a specific niche, you could go into a specific niche. So for example, let's go to sports and golf because I used to play golf. I haven't in a while, but this is because I probably have some advanced stuff going on here. So let's undo this. Let's do this. Let's do this, and we should be good. Let's go by gravity, and there we go. Okay, so it would be the same thing. You would just look in golf, and these are the top or the higher paying ones based upon what you're looking at. And there's a few golf products, which is always a cool thing. Like I said, that's about it. I hope you got something out of this. If you like it, feel free to leave a thumbs up. If you'd like to see some more videos, feel free to subscribe. And last but not least, I will put a cheat sheet down below. If you'd like to find some amazing offers when it comes to recurring offers, I have a cheat sheet of those. There's like well over 100 of them. I'm sure you can find one that you love out of those. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon.